Hello and welcome to this, well, maybe a one-off video, maybe not. What I've got in front of me here is a mystery box. So I've got no idea other than what products in it, what products we've got. I'll put a picture in the corner. This is a Mortons Media mystery box of railway books. Now they've got some offers on at the moment. You can pay two different levels. I've got the £40 box, which guarantees over £100 of railway books, and you can also get some for aviation. Now I have opened the box, but only to take the letter out that was coming in it, just to hide obviously addresses and stuff. But I've got no other idea what's in this box at all. So I'm going to go through it now, have a look on the video to see if it's actually worth the money. The other half was pretty she had a few comments to say, because I do have a lot of railway books. I think I've got over a couple of thousand. They're good to have for reference. I'll put a picture in the corner as well of one of my bookcases, one of many. But we'll see what we've got in here anyway and have a look. So it arrived today. I ordered it a couple of weeks ago and it's arrived today. So let's have a look what we've got in here. Oh, there's a few books in here. Nicely packaged. Right, first book we've got is Young Railway Photographer of the Year Award. Do not have this book. It's got an RRP of 45 quid. That's interesting. And it is full of photographs from like Josh McDonald, 13. That'd be quite an interesting read for young photographers, because obviously, I mean, there's a chap there who's the same. He's not too dissimilar to my, in age, to my own lad. So that might be quite a good read. King of the Light Railways. I've already got this. I do already have that bookazine, but again, that's £8 RRP. Mallard, Steaming into Mortality. It's quite a nice book. Again, another book that I don't have. Do not have this book. I do like the A4s, and it might be, yeah, I might have to give that a read. Robin Jones, very good author. Diesel Dawn Class 31s. I do have this book, but mine is damaged because it came through the post. The spine's damaged on mine. RRP of £12.99, and it is a very good bookazine, so I shall keep that and replace my damaged one, which yeah, that's good. And last but not least, Running on Rails. Fascinating journey along Britain's heritage railways, old and Britain's railways, old and new. That's another quite a good quality book. I think that's an SLP. That's not too bad. What sort of RRP? 25 quid if you were to buy it new. So you've got 25, 38. 38, so that's 50. 45, so that's 95. So £107 worth of books. It's not a very big pile for £107 really, but that's quite good. I was well pleased with that. If I had another 40 quid, I might have got another one. But yeah, that one I've already got. That one, like I said, that's quite a good. Yeah, it's quite a good book. It's a very thick book. These Silverlink Publishing SLP books are very good quality-wise. I do like those. So that one's new to me. That one's new to me. That one is new to me. And that one is good because that's replacing one that I've got that's damaged. So that isn't too bad at all, really, considering how much you would pay for those if you bought them on RRP. And like I said, this is a Morton's media offer at the moment. You can get a medium offer. I think you can pay £20 for £50 worth of books, or £40 for 100. This was the £40 for 100 pounds worth of books, and I think personally I've done pretty well there. 3 books I hadn't got, 1 book to replace something that's damaged, and that King of the Light Railways I will probably keep at work in my locker for something to read on a rainy day, even though I've got it at home. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Really, really good. And these SLP books are really good quality. So like I said, I'm not affiliated with Mortons at all. I saw the email that said about the offer, and I thought I'd take up on it and do a quick video, because I've never done a mystery box before. I've never bought one, but that was quite good. I mean, I must have been quite lucky, because it's obviously had a whack in the post, but none of the books are damaged, and I don't think there's anything else. No, nothing at all else in there. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I really am looking forward to having a read. That'll be a night shift read, and these will be quite good to look at. Is that March there? Was that March? No, it was not March. Stupid boy. Yeah, it covers narrow gauge, running on rails. I mean, the price of these books are £25. Oh, and it comes with a handy bookmark. That's handy. It saved me using bits of paper. Mallard steaming to immortality. I do like the A4s. I do like Mallard. I don't think Mallard gets the hype that it should. All the hype seems to fall on the Flying Scotsman, whereas Mallard, of course, is the star of the show, really. The world's fastest steam engine. There's a picture there of it at Grantham. I went to that event 2013. Blimey, 10 years passed. Crikey. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If I come across any more mystery boxes that are good value, relatively cheap, I've often fancied a Hornby one or an Oxford diecast one. So I might do some more in the future. If you like this sort of video, let me know, and I'll probably do some more. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you agree that I got some good finds there in this mystery box. I'll catch you again in the next video. Bye for now.